Hello,
Hi,
my name is Teacher Aryan. What's your name?
my name is Bird.
Are you ready, Bird?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Bird, look at this. This is a park. These children are playing tennis. Here's the dog. The dog is between the bike and the boy. Okay? What is it?
It's a tree.
Where's the tree?
It's here.
Okay, can you tell me?
The tree is next to the bike.
Okay, very good. Now, what are they?
There,
They are.
there are the car.
Okay, where are the cars?
The car are on the road.
Okay, now what is it?
And the jackets.
Where's the jacket?
The jackets about the tiger.
Okay, now put the jacket under the woman. Very good. What is it?
It's a helicopter.
Where's the helicopter?
The helicopter is about
The.
the guitar.
Okay, now what is it?
It's the bird.
Okay, what color is the bird?
It's black.
How many birds you see in the picture?
I is three.
Okay, now look at the woman. What is she doing?
She drinking juice.
Okay. Oh, very good. All right. Now, what is it?
It's the giraffe.
How? Okay. Do you like giraffes?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat.
Okay. Now, what is it?
It's a guitar.
Have you got a guitar?
No.
What color is the guitar in the picture?
It's white and yellow.
Okay. Now, what is it?
It's a
It's an.
it's a
It's an.
it's an egg.
Okay. Now, do you eat eggs? Say it.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what do you have for breakfast?
My breakfast is all right.
Rice. Okay. What is it, bird?
It's a
Come.
cucumber.
Again?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Is it a computer? Okay. Are there computers in your school?
No,
No. What can you do on the computer?
I play a game.
Mm-hmm. Now, how old are you, bird?
I am 7 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Phong Bắc Ninh.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
All right, that is the end of our speaking test. Goodbye, bird.
Goodbye, teacher.